Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting with one of the best products available for sealing and finishing your outdoor projects, the Podge Waterbase Sealer, Glue, and Finish for Outdoor Clear Finish. This incredible product is not only a versatile glue but also works as a sealer and finish, making it an essential tool for any crafter. Podge has been a go-to brand for over 4 decades, and it continues to provide a reliable and effective solution for a wide variety of arts and crafts. What sets this outdoor formula apart is its ability to withstand the natural elements. Whether you're creating outdoor decor or sealing art pieces to be displayed in your garden, this product is designed to keep your crafts looking beautiful, even in the face of rain or humidity. The Podge Outdoor Sealer dries clear, giving your projects a smooth and glossy finish. It's perfect for materials like wood, terracotta, slate, and tin, offering a water-resistant layer that preserves the beauty of your creations. The quick drying formula allows for multiple coats to be applied, which is especially helpful for those of us who like to build up layers for that perfect finish. One of the best parts about this product is how easy it is to use. Not only is it water-based and non-toxic, but it also cleans up easily with just soap and water. No mess, no hassle. Plus, its water-resistant properties make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Whether you're working on a wooden sign or a terracotta flower pot, this sealer offers lasting protection. What's even better is that it's a true multi-purpose solution. You can use it for decoupage, crafting, scrapbooking, and even wall art. This all-in-one product simplifies your crafting experience, reducing the number of supplies you need. Plus, it's certified as a non-toxic, making it safe for use in any environment. So, if you're looking for a dependable, long-lasting finish that can handle the elements, the Podge Waterbase Sealer, Glue, and Finish for Outdoor is your best bet. It not only offers outstanding protection for your outdoor crafts but also ensures that your artistic creations shine bright for years to come. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products for your crafting needs.